All right, this is part 3, wiring. Now, we're not going to do it the way we wanted to. We wanted to go through the firewall nice and clean. It's going to take some work. Got to get some new wires and a connector. Got to get 3 wires through the firewall. So for now, we're going to temporarily try to go through the fender. Things are, you got to pop this stuff off. Comes off pretty easy, by the way. We'll be able to work through here with the trusty coat hanger again. So let's take a break and get set up for that. One thing we did do, we had this dandy little connector here on the wires. We went in, we used a little bitty screwdriver, we popped these things loose. We'll have to put them back in the right place. But that's the only way you're going to get it through over there. You can't go through with this on it. Poke a few holes here, got a little slot. Take that, push it through like this. Up there quite a ways. Look, see, got it out. Good there. All right, got coat hanger right there. So, might be stuck. Broke the tape. That's not a good sign, but grab it still? Yeah, grab it. Yeah, still not too bad. Alright, let's go see what we got in here and see if we can ever get them through. Doesn't look like we can right now. Okay, we're back. Now, we did clean it out a little, the groove. We moved it a little bit. We got some space in there. We got it through. All right, so come. All right, got to do some work on the inside, repairing the connector we bent. We're going to work on that. Catch you in a few minutes. All right, we're back at the truck. So here we are. We're back. All right. First thing we got to do is we got to connect black to black, red to red. All right. So we're going to have to take these wires. They stripped them too far, so we're going to take our side cutters, here, cut this off right at the wire, and right at the wire. We're using the solderless crimp-ons. We got crimp-ons right here. We got the ones that are heat shrink. We got those done nicely. These were kind of done nicely right from the factory. This one seems a little bit long. Let's see if we can trim that off just a little bit here. And it looks like we're successful. Shouldn't be needing those anymore. Now, got to open this up. Always a joy. I try to open a new pack. Oh, got it easy. All right, take out 2 of these. All right. So let's start here. Got lots of wire on both. So let's start here because, actually let's start over here because these are the ones that we got more wire here. So I'll put this in here. To there. Put this on the pink one. Well, that's going to come out of there. So that ain't the right spot. There we go. Okay. And we'll do the other one on here. Very good. Now again, red to red. And we're going to put that right there on the red. That. Nice and snug. Now we'll do this one. Nice and snug. Now here's why we bought those. Trusty heat gun. Look at that, shrink down nice and tight. Always let it cool off a little. All right, next, got to mount our relay here. So we're going to get a screw, like we said, I'm going to mount that in there. I'll take one screw out of the bin. Shouldn't need those anymore. So I go losing the screw. And we can put that like right there. I'll take this. Screw her into the plastic. And there you go. Good enough. That'll work. All right. Not bad. Now we got to figure out one, how these are getting to the battery. These are getting the battery like this. Well, this kind of has to go this side. Boom. It goes this way. We're going under here. Tangled up. Where's the positive and the negative? Looks like we got them backwards. Looks like we're going this way. Now we're going to go this way and this way here in a little bit. So we're going to have to get a 10 millimeter probably to work on those. But that's all right. We'll work on that last. So now we've got all this wire here. We got to run this. It's got to come through here nicely. We've got to take this. We got to get some tie wraps, make this look nice and neat. We're going to tie wrap this together and then tie wrap it in here. First thing we're going to do is tie wrap the big piece. Looks like I've got only 2 big black tie wraps remaining. So we're going to do one to hold the wires like this, and we're going to try to put it through here second. So we're going to put this around here. that's kind of how that goes. Just go down through the hole. Alright, that's like that. Alright. And then we're going to take one more tie wrap. We're going to come around through here to there. Take a tie wrap through here, around through there, plug it into here. That's got that good. Looks like we got to do a little bit of fixing here. Alright, that's all good. That's good. Leaves us with our hookup for our electric. Next step. Alright, here we are, back again. Left the hook to the battery. Don't know if we're going to unhook the power when we do this, but we're going to try to do it without it. Take this loose. Boy, this is not going off easy. That on there. Looks pretty good. Well, it leaves us this one. We don't get no juice when we do that. We gotta make sure we don't ground ourselves up to the car. That doesn't look like that works very well. Underneath part that's got to be up. We can come down there because the battery isn't working. I'm going to take this off. All right, done. Okay, light bar's mounted. It's rigid, it's sturdy, it's wired, it's ready to go, it's fairly concealed on the wiring. We don't have the inside done, and we'll do a video on that later once we get our permanent wires through. I gotta go buy some 3-stranded wire, get it pulled through the firewall and everything, and rewire everything. We're also thinking we might integrate this with the high beams, so when the high beams are on, this is on. When the high beams aren't on, this can't be on. That way, we won't blind somebody on the highway by accident. It will only be when the high beams and the light's on that the light comes on. All right, let's see what happens. Is it going to be thumbs up or thumbs down? And I can see on the garage, it's bright inside the garage, so it's working, it's bright. So there you are. This will conclude the video. Like I said, please like and subscribe to my videos. That way you'll see more Explorer items and you'll see more other vehicles and other projects that are just fun to do. So please like and subscribe. Appreciate the support. Thank you.